No, I did not take the decision of contesting this election. It was the people of Anushakti Nagar, it was Rashtravati Congress Party's Padadhikari and Karyakartas and my father. People might think Sana Malik has got an easy access, and just because she is Nawab Malik's daughter, this Anushakti Nagar Vidhan Sabha की टिकट मेरी बीवी फिल्म एक्ट्रेस नहीं है, इसलिए मुझे सीट नहीं दी गई. तो उनके ऊपर वो दाव जो है उनका उल्टा पड़ गया. तो अब मैं उनकी बहन बन गई. मैं तो हूँ पापा की परी, मेरी बहन भी है पापा की परी, लेकिन पूरे अनुशक्ति नगर में जितनी बेटियां हैं वो सभी पापा की परी है. और उन्होंने सिर्फ मेरे ऊपर ये टैगलाइन नहीं दिया है, इन्होंने पूरे अनुशक्ति नगर की बेटियों को ये टैगलाइन दिया है.
Sanaji, this is your first election. You have been going in the constituency held by your father. How has been the response so far?
This is not my first elections. This is my Vidhan Sabha's first elections. I have contested BMC elections in 2017, and sadly I was on the third position. But I believe that every loss that you face gives something positive, and 2017 loss has given me a positive thing that I have been very active socially and politically on field, and the immaturity I had then reduces, come down to a lot of percentage. So politically I am a bit more matured, and I have a better understanding of what actually a leader's role is. So it is giving me a little bit of easy way and easy access because of the 7 years of being active in this area.
How did you take the decision to contest this assembly elections?
No, I did not take the decision of contesting this election. It was the people of Anushakti Nagar, it was Rashtravati Congress Party's Padadhikari and Karyakartas and my father who decided that now she has connected, and women and youth are more connected to Sana because the short term absence which made me have the lead role made me more accessible and approachable to the women and the youth, because वो थोड़ा सा एक फादर और यूथ में एक एज गैप हो गया था, एंड वुमेंस को वुमेंस महिला से कनेक्टिविटी इज़ बेटर. तो इन दैट पोजीशन ये कीपिंग ऑल दिस इन माइंड कार्यकर्ताओं की भी मांग आने लगी, एंड पिताजी ने भी ही ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड कि इट इज़ टाइम कि शी शुड कंटेस्ट द इलेक्शंस.
What are your views on dynastic politics? Your opponents are saying you have been paradropped because you are the daughter of Nawab Malik.
See, my opponents are opposing this because it is election time, and elections are not opponent free and not opposing free. So, if someone is saying that, it's okay, I do not have, I'm very proud to be Mr. Malik's daughter, and I am not just proud, I feel I'm that lucky to be born as his daughter. And as far as dynasty is considered, it can only give you a easy access, but to sustain you need votes, and you need to have that you need to have the भरोसा and लोगों के बीच में रह के उनको जानना, उनका विश्वास जितना, that is one thing that you have to work on. And people might think that Sana Malik has got an easy access, and just because she is Nawab Malik's daughter, so she has got this Anushakti Nagar Vidhan Sabha ki ticket. But I should inform the people of not just Anushakti Nagar Vidhan Sabha, but everybody who's watching here, I have been continuously working since 7 years in Anushakti Nagar Vidhan Sabha. I am an architect by profession. I have completed my law, and since the time I have had an architectural degree, I am very active professionally and socially as far as BMC is concerned, and I have a good catch in development works, not just in a not just in my professional field, but also in political field since last 5 years, since I have been working with my father.
Your opponent Fahad Ahmad calls you a sister. He is also contesting election. What do you think about him?
See, I'll not tell you my opponent, Mr. Fahad Zirar Ahmad. He is calling me sister right now. The day the seats were declared, मतलब he got the ticket from Rashtravati Congress Party, Sharad Chandra Pawar साहिब की तरफ से, he told me कि I am Nawab Malik's daughter. The question was raised to me immediately next day. So I told him, if I am contesting as Nawab Malik's daughter, and if I am contesting as Anushakti Nagar's daughter, that is a better approach to have rather than having an actress husband. But being an actress husband is not what I quoted. I quoted it because it was someone from his own party who had said कि मेरी बीवी फिल्म एक्ट्रेस नहीं है इसलिए मुझे सीट नहीं दी गई. तो उनके ऊपर वो दाव जो है उनका उल्टा पड़ गया, तो अब मैं उनकी बहन बन गई. ठीक है, राजनीति है, इट्स ओके. राजनीति, पॉलिटिक्स, एनीथिंग कैन बी डन एंड एनीथिंग कैन हैपन एनी मोमेंट. आई थिंक ही हैज़ टेकन अ बैक फुट टू टारगेट मी राइट नाउ. कल उन्होंने एक बयान दिया है जिसमें उन्होंने पापा की परी बोला है मुझे. तो उनको मैं बताना चाहूँगी कि उनके घर में भी एक बेटी है, वो भी पापा की परी रहेगी. मैं तो हूँ पापा की परी, मेरी बहन भी है पापा की परी, लेकिन पूरे अनुशक्ति नगर में जितनी बेटियां हैं वो सभी पापा की परी है. और उन्होंने सिर्फ मेरे ऊपर ये टैगलाइन नहीं दिया है, इन्होंने पूरे अनुशक्ति नगर की बेटियों को ये टैगलाइन दिया है. और मुझे लगता है ऐसे टैगलाइन सिर्फ और सिर्फ महिलाओं के ऊपर करना, बेटियों के ऊपर करना, जब खुद वो एक बेटी के बाप है, गलत है. उनके ऊपर इस चीज़ के ऊपर ये उनके वर्ड्स को वापस लेना चाहिए. और ये बताना चाहूँगी कि पापा की परी वाले डायलॉग से मैंने 2022 में ही लड़ाई लड़ ली थी. तो अभी भले ही वो 2024 में पैराशूट लैंड करके ही हैज़ कम हियर, इट डजंट मेक अ डिफरेंस. आई थिंक इट्स पॉलिटिकल कैंपेन टाइम एंड एवरीबडी शुड फोकस ऑन द पॉजिटिव थिंग्स एंड शो व्हाट यू कैन डू rather than doing such kind of activities and engaging in such type of work.
Your party is in alliance with BJP. How difficult do you think it will be to convince Muslim voters to vote for you? Because they are making slogans like "बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक है तो safe है." Does that not make your job difficult?
See, what eventually a voter, or being a Muslim voter or even a voter, what do they want? They want growth for their own self. They want growth for their kids. They look for a better future. They look for progress. So we cannot differentiate a Muslim voter or a voter in totality. But if these kind of slogans are coming in, I haven't heard about बटेंगे and कटेंगे, but recently I've seen in the newspaper एक है तो safe है, and I take it very positively because हमारे हिंदुस्तान की सभ्यता ये है कि अनेकता में ही हमारी एकता है. So I take it that way. It is a positive slogan line, and we all, at least I believe in that कि positivity और simple रहना है, और एक रहेंगे तो we are all safe as in कौन से माध्यम से. लेकिन मैं I personally take it very positively.
What are the key issues you will be addressing if you are elected?
Because Anushakti Nagar has a different demographically and geographical locations, there are different issues at various places. We can divide it into like slums and the sides where Maharashtra Nagar, Cheetah Camp, Trombe area is there, where we have already introduced and proposed a flyover for major connectivity. So that is one thing that I will immediately work for, because 4 months of monsoon, the Maharashtra Nagar locality faces a major issue of connectivity. Secondly, the Eastern Freeway connectivity with Vashinaka, because Vashinaka is one such area where PVP buildings are located, and people around and throughout Mumbai are being shifted there for rehabilitations. And because of the population growth, there are many things and many facilities and basic amenities that needs to be addressed every day because of the population growth. And these are the things that I'll be working. I want to work on the connectivity from Eastern Freeway to Vashinaka, and because of the population growth, and there are major layouts of PAP. So all the acquisition process that we have already started, I want the BMC to acquire them immediately and work on the health and education facilities there.
Last question. Your father won this constituency twice. He won it last time with a 65,000 vote. What will be your margins victory?
See, my focus is only winning the seat of Anushakti Nagar for the betterment of people. I know I have been working. People also know it since last 7 years, be it politically or be it socially. And my only aim is to serve the people. And I have been serving them since 7 years. After during elections, my only focus is I have been positive. I have been simple. People know my positivity and simplicity. I know they trust me and they will make me win. For me, win is win. Even a single vote win doesn't matter, because we have lost with a very small margin, 1,008 votes in 2014. So I do not target okay, what will be the margin, or what will be how much high the win, or how focused you will be with the margin of the voters. But a win is a win. It is an opportunity the people give you to serve the people.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.